Hello there everyone, welcome back guys. So today guys we're going to wash, decon and polish this black Kia. So this is our setup for today. Starting off with the wheels, we're going to use this Turtle Wax Shift, which is an iron remover, and we're going to use it as a pre-wash for our wheels. I'm going to include all the links to the products in the video description below. I'm trying out quite a few iron removers. So far they all work quite well, and as you can see the wheel, it looks pretty good even without the contact wash. And for the contact wash, I'm going to use Autobrite Direct Wheel and Tire Cleaner diluted 1:5, which is a strong dilution ratio, which is the dilution ratio that I only use for decontaminating the wheels. The wheels did come out presentable, which would contribute to the overall look of the car at the end. And for the snow foam, I am using the Hamburg Touchless. And I probably mentioned this 100 times, however I'm going to say it again, the pre-wash does help us with the contact wash, and it makes the contact wash a bit more effective. And for the contact wash, we're using Meguiars Wash Plus, which contains polishing agents in it, and it is considered to be a decontamination car soap. And also followed up by the contact wash. Without rinsing the soap, I'm going to use my Claim-It, and only then I'm going to rinse the soap off the car. Just makes life a bit easier to do it all in one step. And as you can see, I am rinsing off my sponge here because I'm not using a bucket, and then I can apply some more soap on the sponge again. And now I'm going to dry the car using my towel, and you can barely see any water on the surface because it's literally flat. The water is flat and you can't really even see it. There's no beading going on. The paint is stripped of any waxes. And here you can see all kinds of defects on the paint, swirls, love marks, you name it. And what we're going to do is I'm going to use a paint prep to completely degrease the paint And today I'm using my soft pad with Turwax ceramic polish and wax, which is a great wax to use. Works quite good in direct sunlight, not chalky at all, and my goal is here just to restore some clarity to the paint and make it look presentable. So it's going to be a very quick job, and that's why I was hired for, just to do a light paint correction. So now you can see the difference between the rear door and the front door. I'll still have to go over the front door just a little bit. However, this is the pace I'm going to be working, and it will take me about an hour to do the whole car. So, despite the fact that the car has a lot of scratches still, um, as you can see on the camera, it looks very good. I mean, it looks glossy, and the clarity has been restored as well. And just to show the comparison, the left side of the bonnet hasn't been polished and the right side has been. So these are the final result, guys. I did apply some tire dressing and touch up the windows, but pretty much this is how the car looks like after polishing it. I think it looks quite good, and the owner of the car was very proud. And also, I did the interior. I steam cleaned it. I didn't show you in this video, but I will show you more steam cleaning videos in the car interior in my future videos. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.